In the heart of Italy, where tradition meets innovation, Kolver has been crafting the future of precision. Introducing Kolver Torque Tools, the embodiment of Italian engineering excellence. Experience the synergy of decades of tradition and cutting-edge technology. With Kolver, accuracy is not just measured, it's mastered. Our tools are designed with the finest Italian technology, ensuring unmatched precision for every task. Each turn, each tighten, brings you closer to perfection. At Kolver, our commitment to excellence is unwavering. We're not just making tools, we're setting the standard for quality and reliability in the industry. Our Italian heritage drives us to pursue innovation, crafting tools that professionals trust. Join the professionals who choose Kolver, and feel the difference Italian craftsmanship makes. With Kolver, you're not just buying a tool, you're investing in Italian excellence, in a legacy of quality that stands the test of time. Precision, reliability, excellence, that's the Kolver promise. Embrace the power of Italian engineering. Elevate your work with Kolver. Discover the perfect blend of tradition and innovation.